All right, so this is my boat. We have two DC motors, two 6-volt DC motors attached to a 12-volt power supply. It's a pontoon method, two pontoons made out of water bottles, and we have wiring kind of inside this Tupperware to keep it all sealed in. The main frame of the hull is made out of popsicle sticks, and here I was trying to test two different methods. The propulsion at the bottom is with just a normal propeller in the water, and this top one has sort of like an airboat feature where it propels by the air. So that's my 360, looking pretty cute with this really nice camera too. I got a friend helping me. We got this length of string here that has at every every yard, we have a marker to see how far it's going, and this pool is about 13 yards across. So let's see if we can get it to go twice. You notice the bottom one isn't working? Okay, we're good.